I'm Savannah. Welcome to Within Nature! Yeah! Hi, I'm over here now with technology. And as you can see here, this lovely tree is obviously dying. And it's not gonna live very long. Let's move on. Did you also know that grass is everywhere? I mean, take a look. It's everywhere! As you can see behind me, there is another tree. This tree was just born yesterday. As you can see, it had sprouted majestically out of pure magic and miracles. See, in life, the trees do not grow from the sun. They grow from the air and life. Yeah. Hi! As you can see, this pine cone was naturally born here by Ohio, and it contains many nutritionist facts and many fruits. Yes, this is a fruit. Many people don't know that because they're idiots, but it is very wise to eat these when you're entrapped in a secluded place like I am. And so, to show you how healthy it is, I'm not going to eat it because I just ate one not too long ago. So, there goes that pine cone, and have a good day. Hi, welcome back to Within Nature! Did you know that all these pebbles on the ground are actually tiny little people? Might want to watch out on that. Hi, welcome back. And I'd like to introduce you to my friends. This is George Bush. This is Junior George Bush. This is Jeb. Say hi, Jeb. Too shy. Hi! As you can see by this lovely tulip thing, that they are obviously come in a variety of flavors. And so what I guess you can say pink or purple flavor is obviously going to be cotton candy flavor. So whenever you find a tulip that is pink and purple, go eat it. It's cotton candy flavor. Go! And this is Butterfree. The Butterfrees are natural born to Ohio and are most likely to, I don't know how we say it, be free in this world. And also, they like to reproduce in your house. So be very careful. As you can see, the lovely yellow dandelion is imperfectly intact, and it will kill you if you touch it. Oh! I'm infected! No!